42 points, assist number 3. Black number 50, 25 points. Rebound 47. Steal number 3.
Dak-dak.
42 points.
Hindi man lang pinawisan eh. Hindi man lang pinawisan.
Siguro kasi yan sa labas, mga NBA kalaban niya minsan eh.
Steal 14. Out of bounds.
Oo.
Steal.
Joseph.
Rebound 50.
Sablay niya, Axel yun.
14 points, assist 40.
40 o 1?
14 na shoot, assist ng 4.
1 no?
Foul.
25 points.
Pasa ni Jay.
3 points. Assist 14. Five second shot clock. Black number 50.
Sablay niya yun.
Out of bounds.
Sablay ni Jay.
Timeout, white team. Timeout.
White team. Dito nyo. Advance foul. Kaya lang. Kasi double tayo.
Meron pa boss, ilan pa tayo nila? Dalawa?
Dalawa.
Dalawa pa boss.
10 second shot clock. Steal. One, 2 points.
The way. Turnover.
$47 2 points. 3 2 points. Assist 14. Foul number 40. Substitution.
Tatlo na.
Substitution.
Oh, dinidok eh.
Hindi pala si Matt, oh.
Gym na lang sa kasya eh, para pawisan.
Two points.
Patay.
Out of bounds.
Certo.
Rebound 39. Rebound 40. 9, 2 points.
Wala pa.
Ayun, anong oras yun? 25 na pala doon. Late pala yung sa akin, no?
Offensive rebound 47. Offensive rebound 9, 2 points.
Buti kayo official yun. Sa akin, 20.
Two points.
Pasok.
Nino.
Ito.
13, 2 points. Assist number 9. $39 2 points. Foul 47.
Dalawa.
Second foul.
Lah, magwa 100 na. Naabot ng 100 ah. First time ng ano, history ah.
25 points mo naman.
Number 14. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Last 27.
Sino? Paul.
Pape.
Walang ginagawa maganda, no?
Still, number 9. 18 2 points. Foul 18. Substitution.
Sub.
Substitution. 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 Substitution.
Okay, tawagin boss. Tawagin nyo na sa ban.
Baka parang
Pasok lang.
JD.
Tumagal pa doon, no?
Still 18 2 points. 47, 2 points.
Defensive rebound yun.
Out of bounds.
Uy, grabe. Nag-score yun.
Offensive foul number 46.
Ball. First foul.
Still 48.
Hindi na pinagbigyan ah.
Out of bounds.
Turnover niya no.
Foul 48. Offensive rebound 47. 30 seconds. Rebound 30. Ten seconds. 5 seconds. No basket.